Here we go. This is the battle, the ongoing battle over the fly swatter.
And I have both. I don't care. I can handle it for this. Yep. Gotcha. She'll grab it. This thing is bent.
I'm gonna bite you.
See the poor fly swatter.
Poor fly swatter. It didn't do nothing to nobody, and they're bending it all out of shape and everything.
There.
Oh, and she takes him down on the couch. This is gonna make it. This is gonna make a cool. This is gonna make the bad YouTube video.
Jeez. Give me this damn thing.
The evil dog with the glowing eyes.
Let go.
Boy, you better drop it.
Tiff, go back to home.
I gotta get
That looks like the dog from Pet Sematary.
Doesn't she? Her eyes probably go on that thing.
Can you leave her alone?
You let the hell go. You can't be trusted because you
Okay.
act like
What's
a
up?
child.
That's
There
my
you go.
dad.
There goes the evil dog. Okay.